It's not potassium, bud.
Oh, damn.
Yeah. Where are you going? Behind.
Yeah, I'm
Oh, like.
Oh, you can hear the falls, boys.
Well, these are like the lower side. Like, I don't think that's a little sketchy.
See, the...
Yo, nice recovery, man. That was a fucking great recovery.
Yeah, come grab it. Dude, have you ever seen like a normal person fall? Like, by normal person I mean someone who doesn't like BMX or skiing.
Yeah. It's like they fall.
They eat it so hard.
Yeah. Like, we know how to take impacts.
Ah, shit. Oh, shit.
Oh,
Save me!
I got it.
Oh, man.
Controlled fall.
All right, this way. Yeah. Yeah, once you start sliding, it's like...
Game over, man.
Yeah, you just fucking... Don't try to stop. You're gonna slide more.
I should have brought my boots.
I feel like when you're expecting to slide, nothing really happens. Like you slide, and you're like, all right, I'm good.
Yeah, you just like roll with it. You're just having a bad... Why am I not filming that?
I can't stay. I just keep slipping.
That's the point, is you have to controlled slide, man.
I can't with these bands.
Get your foot. Okay, you got that?
Oh my god. Okay.
Yeah, you're good now.
Should have brought boots.
Slide down to the next
It's
one.
like a fucking ice rink, man.
And then slide again.
No. Like, can you get a close up of this? Can you believe this show even just went fully underwater?
That tree went fully underwater.
It was so shitty.
I feel like we're getting into the shit now.
This is some shit.
Yeah. Yeah, I think Carter's... I don't know, man. I don't know which crossing is more promising.
I thought he was eating it. I got too excited. Oh my god. How, oh my
Oh, that was right.
He's wet now.
Oh yeah, there it is.
I feel Braden because he's not been doing so well there.
Ah, my feet are wet. What?
Oh, there you go.
I feel like I need to do this. Did you go to that one and then across, or did you just jump?
I just jumped from there to there. It's not that bad. See, it's not that bad.
Stuck it. It's raining now. We made it up. It was super sketchy, so I didn't...
This is just level 1 of
This is level 1. I didn't film like any real cool shots because, you know, treacherous, but look at this. Whoa, buddy!
don't buy any please.
Dude, my foot slipped out and then went like under another root, so it was like just jammed. Alright. We'll get it.
Every time, like, this just reminds me of like Jurassic Park.
I know, ferns.
Yeah.
And every time I say the word fern, I think of Fern Gully.
And yeah.
Oh, it's like a thing about like a bunch of little fairies.
Red light. Red light again.
You gotta see it.
Sounds pretty awesome.
Whoa. Yeah, that's a sick fire pit.
No doubt. Hey, look, a blue jay.
Oh, nice. Dude, all I'm thinking about now is how did this massive rock right here, that came from on that cliff there.
And how did it stop here?
It just ended up chilling like that. Run it out, run it out.
Did you get it on film?
Yeah. Teamwork, boys. Oh no! No, God! No, God! That was not the call! Oh my God. That sucks.
Look, it's a weird one too. It's literally just a fucking...
Oh, you got like something in there?
Some rock fragment. I don't know if I should wash it up in these waters.
Yeah, I thought about that for a second. I don't know. You fell so far.
I was like hung up when I branched. I was like, oh fuck! Oh no, this is bad. This is bad. I saw Braden
Well, boys, what do you think?
next waterfall.
All right. All right, we made it to Albion Falls. That's it in the background. It took us a while to find it. So I'm gonna climb down and I'll get some more shots once I get down there.
The first part's sketchy. I grabbed onto some over here. I can't wait to see that like the fire's with. No. I'm glad I had my foot on this.
Yeah. Oh, buddy. You know, that's not the worst fall you've taken today.
No, definitely not.
So, where's Braden?
He's up at the top. I don't even know how that happened.
Wow, it is sketchy up here, man. Look at this shit.
Yeah, shuffle for you. Alright. Here. Yeah. I mean, I don't think it's a good idea, but I don't think so either. Alright. 3, 2, 1.
Wow. Carter got a buddy.
Alright, let's he's not even concerned. He doesn't want to go anywhere. You guys want to see a snake?
Yeah, it's not the snake eye, not the fish eye. Alright, so let's get this straight, Carter. We walked all the way around on the road, and you climbed up that thing.
Yep.
And you got a snake.
We should name him. How about Rick? There you go, Rick.
Rick the snake? It's a good snake name.
Hey, Rick. How you doing, bud?
Alright, Rick's going home.
Say goodbye. Oh, perfect.
Nice. Yes.
Alright, here, take this, go put him back.
Alright. Here we go, bud. We're taking you home. There you go, Rick. Right where I found you. So that was my ascent. Can't really do it justice from this angle.
Alright everyone, that is going to be it for part 1. I hate cutting videos into part 1 and part 2, part 3, but this video is just too long. I'm already up at like 16, 17 minutes, and we're only about halfway through. There's tons of crazy stuff that happens in the next part. More waterfalls, more Carter being Carter, car troubles, pizza. It's fantastic. You're going to want to watch it.
but it would be too long to make in one video, or at least maybe for the people I know watch my channel. I don't think anyone really wants to watch half an hour straight of my whatever we're doing out here. I don't know what you call this. I hadn't planned to do this in 2 parts originally, so I have to do this quick little talky thing where I talk to the camera, and it's kind of weird, but I'm getting better at it. So thanks everybody for watching. If you liked it, comment, subscribe, thumbs up, all that crap. If you didn't like it, well,